Hi guys, welcome to AI Stack Labs. Last week I showed you the autonomous channel I built with Claude and Runway. Today we're going inside the very first lane of that pipeline, the IDEATE lane, the part that picks what topic to make next and turns it into a research brief before a single line of script gets written. Quick heads up before we go in, this is part 1 of a 5-part series. Over the next 5 videos, I'm tearing apart my entire AI content pipeline, one lane at a time. Lane 1, ideate. Lane 2, write. Lane 3, generate. Lane 4, assemble. Lane 5, publish. Each lane gets its own episode. Today, we're in lane 1. Before we zoom into lane 1, here's the whole pipeline at a glance. 5 lanes, 12 stages, end to end. Ideate finds and researches the topic. Write turns it into a script. Generate builds the assets. Visuals, voiceover, captions. Assemble stitches them into a cut and produces a thumbnail. Publish handles SEO, scheduling, the human approval gate, and the final upload. That's the entire machine. Now let's go into lane 1. This is lane 1, ideate, 2 stages. Stage 0, discover, scrapes 5 sources for trending AI topics and ranks them by cross-source confirmation. Stage 1, research, takes the winning topic and turns it into a structured brief with pain points, stats, and SEO keywords. Notice the other 4 lanes are dimmed. Those are episodes 2 through 5. Today, it's just ideate. Let's open the code. Stage 0, discover. The docstring at the top tells you exactly what this stage is responsible for. It pulls candidate topics from 5 independent sources: YouTube, Reddit, Google Trends, Hacker News, and Product Hunt, then converts all of those raw popularity signals into a single ranked topic pool. The key idea is cross-source confirmation. A topic trending on one platform might just be noise. But if the same topic appears across multiple independent ecosystems, that's a much stronger signal that people actually care about it. Here's the noise filter. Is I relevant checks every candidate against a whitelist of AI-specific keywords. Without this, generic trending feeds flood the pipeline with celebrity drama, politics, and sports. With it, the discovery system stays tightly focused on AI and automation. Before merging, titles are aggressively normalized so semantically identical topics from different platforms collapse into the same trend cluster. And this is the core ranking logic. Dedupe merge. When the same topic appears across multiple sources, we sum the scores and union the source list. That cross-source confirmation is what allows genuine momentum to rise above isolated hype. Finally, the run function orchestrates the entire discovery pass. Each source collector is isolated behind its own try-except block, so failures degrade the system gracefully instead of crashing the pipeline. If Reddit rate limits or Google Trends breaks, discovery still succeeds. You just end up with a slightly thinner candidate pool instead of a dead run. Let's run it live. This kicks off stage 0 and starts pulling candidates from all 5 discovery sources in real time: Reddit, Hacker News, Google Trends, Product Hunt, and YouTube. As the pipeline runs, each source contributes its own independent signals, and topics that appear repeatedly start accumulating score. This is the important part. The system isn't chasing whatever happens to be loudest on one platform. It's looking for overlap across ecosystems. Now let's look at the output generated by the discover stage. This is the final ranked topic pool after normalization, filtering, deduplication, and cross-source merging. Notice how the highest ranked entries all appear across multiple sources. A single viral Reddit thread or YouTube video can't dominate the rankings by itself. The system rewards confirmation, not noise. Discover hands its winner to stage 1, research, the second half of the ideate lane. It's a 2-step pipeline. First, it fires structured SERPer queries to gather real evidence from the web, then it hands everything to Claude to synthesize a clean research brief. Build search angles is the trick. Instead of one query, we generate 5 angles on the same topic: pain points, stats, competitor takes, recent news, expert opinions. That widens the coverage dramatically beyond what any single search returns. And here's Claude Synthesize. We give Claude a strict JSON schema: hook angle, key pain points, stats with sources, competitor gaps, and SEO keywords. The output is structured, predictable, and feeds directly into the next lane, write, which is what's writing the script you're hearing right now. Now let's run the research stage on one of the winning topics from discovery. The pipeline starts by generating multiple search angles automatically, then Serper fans out into Google to collect evidence from different perspectives. Tutorials, case studies, workflows, implementation patterns, and industry reactions. Once the search results are collected and deduplicated, Claude synthesizes everything into a structured research brief. The entire process finishes in under 30 seconds, work that would normally take hours of manual searching, reading, and note taking. Now let's look at the research brief that came back. You can see the hook angle, key pain points, solutions, competitor gaps, SEO keywords, and supporting stats, all already structured into machine-readable JSON. This file becomes the input for the right lane, where the system turns research into a full production-ready video script. No copy-pasting, no context loss, and no human cleanup step in between. And the framework underneath the IDEATE lane is brutally simple. Three questions separate AI projects with real users from expensive learning exercises. Who is the user? What pain does it kill? And can you ship a V1 in under a weekend? If any answer is shaky, the topic dies before it ever leaves lane 1. The mindset shift is the whole game. Stop treating your AI like a brainstorm partner that says yes to everything. Make it your product manager, the one that scores ideas, sequences them, and kills the weak ones on a recurring cadence. Pick one primary model, Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT, and let it own that role. What changed for me after I shipped this ideate lane? My ratio flipped. I used to start 10 projects and finish 2. Now I start 3 projects and ship all 3. Because by the time an idea reaches my keyboard, lane 1 has already murdered the weak ones in cold blood. The weekends I get back are worth more than any tool subscription. That's lane 1, ideate, in the can. In part 2, we're cracking open the right lane, how Claude takes the research brief from today's video and turns it into a full script, scene by scene, with hooks, demo callouts, and CTAs. If you want that video the moment it drops, hit subscribe. And in the comments, tell me the AI project idea you've been sitting on. I read every single one. Until next time, this has been AI Stack Labs.